Tech Specs.
Hello friends, welcome to Tech Specs. Today, let's see some of the interesting facts about octopus. An octopus belongs to the class Octopoda. It has 8 limbs, which is a unique feature of octopus, well known to everyone. The octopus is bilaterally symmetrical, with 2 eyes and a beak, with its mouth at the center of the 8 limbs. In order to squeeze through small gaps, they will alter their shape. In earlier days, people used to call an octopus a sea monster. All octopus are poisonous, but only the blue-cined octopus are life-threatening to humans. Octopus have 3 hearts. A systemic heart is to circulate blood around the body, and the other 2 is to pump through gills. While swimming, the systemic heart becomes inactive, which makes the animal easily gets tired. They prefer to crawl most of the time. Jet propulsion or backward swimming is their fastest means of locomotion. But when in no hurry, they crawl both on solid surface or soft surface. As said earlier, the animal gets tired quickly to an extent that its heartbeat gets doubled even for a slow crawling, that the animal requires some 10 to 15 minutes to recover from minor exercise. The highly intelligent animal uses a technique called camouflage to hunt its prey. Camouflage means adjusting color, opacity or reflectivity according to the surrounding. They use this color-changing ability to communicate or to warn other octopus. They produce toxic ink and get them stored in large sacs. When cornered, the animal ejects its blue-colored ink in one direction and simultaneously escape in opposite direction. Octopus are usually short-lived. After mating, the male octopus dies within 1 or 2 months. The female octopus protect their eggs until they hatch, and once the baby octopus comes out, the mother octopus will die in a day or 2. The reason is the mother will not leave its egg or go for hunt during incubation period up to 7 months. Due to this, they die when the broods hatch. Among 300 species of octopus, the giant Pacific is the biggest one. It has 3 hearts and 9 brains, 1 central brain and 1 in each arm. Their blood is blue colored. Like lizard, which detach its tail when attacked, the octopus also detach their limbs when cornered. The crawling arm distracts the predators. Octopus can replace those lost limbs. The giant Pacific octopus weighs up to 71 kg. Their lifespan is 3 to 5 years. They are the favorite food for shark and whale. The octopus is also consumed by humans in some countries. So that's all about today's video, friends. Catch you soon with another interesting video. Till that, stay tuned. If you find this video is useful, then like, subscribe and share with your friends. Click the bell icon to get instant notification.